Well, I'm gonna make a new pipe for the Stihl. So I had to cut some relief cuts, as you can see right here. Close up, and I'm welding them up. But this is gonna go straight on the header. And I have that cut at a 45. I have another 45, and the pipe will go up to the side. But this is just the header pipe, and yeah, pretty cool. Made a new pipe today for the Stihl. Same exact everything, just different pipe. So got 1 1/4, running 1 1/4 conduit, which comes from 1 inch to 1 1/4 because the 1 1/4 wouldn't fit for the head bolts to go in. 1 1/4 runs up. This is just 22 gauge. I rolled it by hand, and then this is just a 1/2 inch conduit out the end. I need to cut it off, but that's it. So I did tune the saw. I ran a little bit leaner, and it seems to be cutting way faster now, so let's give it a shot. So the saw should be tuned. Everything should be ready to rock and roll on it. I was just running it a little bit ago. I need to tighten that. I'll be right back. I need to put some Loctite on this. So I am planning running. The stock exhaust had an inner and then an outer shield, which one bolt threaded right here and one bolt threaded right over here. I want to make a support right here to thread into that. But for just a few cuts, it should be all right. See, these just back out like a 1/4 turn. I can strip the head on that one. It'll be all right. But that's a lot better now. So let's give it a shot. Runs good. I just need to grab 8-tooth sprocket and skip tooth chain. But yeah, looks good. This is just some dried hemlock. It's probably only about, I don't know, 12 inches of it, so it's not that big of a log. I'm gonna try to get some maybe hardwood. We have cherry out back, see how it does. Yeah, saw runs good.